Hello, I'm Andy, Bartlett Automotive. We're carrying out an MOT on this beautiful Triumph Trident. The security of the tank, make sure it's not loose. We're making sure the seat is secure, not likely to fall off. Suspension and head bearings. Rear suspension, dampen the effect of the shock absorber. Check all the lights, indicator. Checking the chain to make sure it's not excessively loose. Wheel bearings, swing arm bearings, make sure there's no play. Rear shock absorber, make sure it's not leaking. Markings that suggest it's not for road use. Make sure all the engine mounting bolts are there.